welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kola. For the newcomers and for the returning subscribers, welcome. I'm not wasting much time today. We are going to do turmeric mask for pimples, acne, and glowing skin. So stay tuned to the end. So guys, I'm starting by making the mixture, and I'll need 1 teaspoon of turmeric, this one, 1 teaspoon of honey, pure honey, oh, and then I need 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And let's mix. You can make as many as you want, but as for me, I'll be making this mixture. You can use it to clear dark spots in your face. You can use it on your inner thighs. As you know, turmeric, lemon as a natural bleaching agent. So after making this paste like this, I'm going to show you how to use it on but I'll apply on my face. I'll start by cleansing my face using lemon juice. I'll just squeeze some on the palm of my hand. After that, I'll be applying that lemon juice on my face in circular motions. Because I think it's not enough, I'll be adding another one. Lemon is a very good cleanser, natural cleanser. If your skin is very sensitive to creams or any let's say to the shop cleanser, this is the best cleanser. Or just, let's say you have exhausted your cleanser, this one is the best you can ever have. So you can just apply like that, the way I have applied, then stay for 15 or 10 minutes, then you wash off. Okay, let's continue. So after washing off the lemon juice, I was removing the excess water on my face. Then I'll go onwards and apply my mask on my face. So if you don't want it to be running on the other body, you can just make a thick paste. Not too much thick, but just a thick paste there. Then apply. The smell of honey is just awesome. And and the way it leaves your face feeling, it's just awesome, because it leaves your skin feeling moisturized, and also you feel it detoxes your skin, also making it feel, you just feel amazing. Leaves your skin glowing. Okay, so let's continue and apply the mask. I'm just avoiding messing up with turmeric. Turmeric, when you mess up with turmeric, you won't like it. So you better be careful when applying your mask. And please, if there is no hairs in it, is not necessary for you to apply to the eyebrow, unless otherwise. And otherwise, I don't know it is which one. So I don't think it is necessary for you to apply to the eyebrow. This is the best mask I've ever seen. My friends, try this and tell me in the comment section how it responded to your skin. And also, honey will make you younger than you are. It makes your skin look younger. It will help in detoxing your skin. This, you can also use it for dark circles. If you have dark circles, you can just come across that. Yes. Guys, that's how my mask looks, and it feels awesome too. Wow, I'm just feeling my skin like, as in I'm feeling the honey smell. Just feel awesome. So after applying, you leave it for 30 minutes or 1 hour or so. Then we wash off and see the results. So guys, I've just washed off my face and I'm feeling it feels smooth. It's more brighter, eh? Yeah, that's the result. So after that, guys, I'm going to use this to moisturize my skin. Yes. I'm going to use Vaseline. Yes. just to moisturize my skin very quickly. As always, take time to moisturize your skin so it can absorb as much moist as possible from the moisturizer you are using. It doesn't matter the moisturizer you are using, but as for me, I love Vaseline all the way. Always massage your face as you moisturize. So guys, that's the final result. That's how I'm looking at that amazing mask. Yes, that's how it looks like. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell. Please give this video a thumbs up so we can be recommended by YouTube to as many viewers as possible. Please stay safe as always. Ciao.